Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Heroes Battlegrounds redeem codes. So here we have this website called sportskita.com. So here you just have to search in actually your Battlegrounds, Heroes Battlegrounds, and then it will be actually redeemed right here. So basically once you search it, it will show you the My Hero Battlegrounds codes, and as you can see it's going to be updated every month or depending on the actual event that it's gonna take place on. So here the active codes will be listed right here. So you have 5k likes and 4k likes, 1 mil visits, emote release, sorry for another shutdown 2, 2300 likes, 1400 likes, sorry for another shutdown 1, and you have code release with the exclamation point. So you just have to redeem this in your hero battlegrounds. It's just that simple. So you can find it here in Sportskida, and you will be able to find it under the Roblox section right here. And it's just that simple. So you'll just have to actually look for the codes right here, and this will update, of course, monthly or every event that it will renew. So this might not be updated for you guys anymore if you're watching from the future. You just want to go actually to the sportskita.com and check it out yourself. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.